Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. I wanted to record a quick video for you guys today. I have a few little things that we can do, but I also wanted to tell you guys another little update on Sophie. The last update was that her incision had popped open, so they put staples in it. And now the staples have come loose. So, I don't know. So we have to take her back to the vet. So, I just don't know what to do. We have her like in the kitchen, you know. She's in the kitchen. She can't run around. When we take her outside, we go with her. It's not like we leave her out there. We've got her in a diaper most of the time. She's wearing a cone. It's just, I think it's just at a spot that anytime she moves around, it just moves that area around. And anyway, so I'll keep you posted on that. So we're going to have to take her back to the vet and see what they're going to do this time. But anywho, so there was that. So I wanted to do a really quick video for you guys. I have a few little things that we can do in this album. This is the Enchanted Plant Department album, and there's a video series on this. I will put that up in the cards there and down below in the description box, where it'll take you step by step through all the different things we've done so far. So the paper collection and the templates and all of that stuff are in the description box down below as well. And I also put them in the pinned comment. Hold on just a second. My light shield thingamabobs were coming off. I also try to put them in the first pinned comment. Okay. So in the last video, we did the giveaway drawing, and we embellished just a little bit. I'm going to scoot you in so you can see. This was in the last video. So we did this page embellishing right here, and I think it looks so much better. So there's a secret little note here where you could put some secret journaling. This envelope here is stationary. It's stuck down, but these two pieces are movable. So that's what we did in the last video. So, but this video, I think I'm going to attach this into the album, and we're going to do a little bit of photo mats on the inside cover, I think. So, it's been raining for like a week, you guys. I mean, constantly raining. It's kind of wreaking havoc on my garden. Anybody else having that same problem? I mean, you want rain, but you don't want that much rain. So, I mean, I guess you just got to get what you get, you know, but it's just a lot of rain. I'm still drinking my coffee. I didn't get a chance to record over the weekend, so I'm having to do this today, which is Monday, which I'm hoping I can edit it and get it up to you guys super quick. Okay, so what I think I want to do is, okay, so in case you're just now finding these videos, the front cover is removable. It's an interactive element, which we haven't really done anything with yet. The front cover is removable, and whoops, and the inside front cover is removable. So it's got like a pocket and a flippity flip. So this is cool. Back, it's just one continuous pattern, right? Or the 12 by 12 sheet is just continual, and then there's a little cutout pocket right there. Anyway, so they're both removable, so I'm going to set these both aside for a minute, and just so it'll lay flat. And then we're going to attach this page setup, which is a flip pocket with a bunch of inserts. This I haven't decided. Excuse me. This I haven't decided where I'm going to put this yet. So, and then this opens up. There is a belly band with a removable floating pocket insert, which is super cute. Okay, so I am going to flip this over. I did ink the back side of this. I don't know what I'm going to do here yet, but I did go ahead and ink it before I put it in here. So I'm going to grab some tape. I'm going to get 3/8 inch tape, and I'm going to put that along this tab here, just like that. This tape I've linked in my Amazon list. I have a special Amazon list just for this project, so you can check it out. And then my nails, I've been digging in the dirt, you guys, and it's like, I don't know if it's stained or what's going on, but my nails are on my nerves, and I keep breaking them too. So okay, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna take this tape backing off, but we're also gonna use some wet glue too. Scooch that back over there. I'm gonna use art glitter glue. Whoops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Boop. Hopefully that doesn't mean it's messed up. And it is. Great. Hold on, let me get my glue unclogged. I don't know if it's unclogged, but stuff is coming out. So anyway, I'm just gonna run a thin line right along that edge there. I'm just actually just gonna go along all the edges, just to help it not come apart from the binding. Okay, so whoop. I'm going to move that out of the way then, since it fell out. So we're going to stick it onto this side of this binding strip on the album cover. So I'm going to take it and turn it, and you don't want to go past the edge here where the binding meets the binding strip meets the cover. You don't want to go past that edge, because then your page won't turn. Dig that little bit of glue there, but that's okay because we always mat these strips. So I'm going to flip it over this way, and I'm going to press it down there. Let's go ahead and take the bone folder there. Alright, so now that is attached into the actual cover itself. So I'm going to stick these back in here. Here's the flip pocket. And I still don't know what I'm going to do with this, so I'm just going to stick this in here for now. And then the other thing I wanted to do really quick is I just wanted to add some photo mats and stuff here, decorate this just a little bit, kind of like I did in the prototype. So I think what I'm going to do, just like I did with the prototype album, I'm going to stick just a cluster of photo mats here. So these photo mats were printed onto 28-pound paper. And I thought I would do a setup just like this, and then we could do like a label and then some flowers here. So this is a great way to utilize these types of spaces. You can still put a bunch of photos and it still looks pretty. Do you know what I mean? The inside of the cover, especially since we've got this interactive element that comes off. So then it's like, surprise, you know, you got this really cool photo layout. So these are from the Photomats Essentials, and these come 4 to a sheet, and then these come 2 to a sheet. They're also in the basically Amazing Photomat add-on. If you have that, you can use those as well. So anyway, I'm only going to use 3 of these 3x4 and then 1 4x6, and I'm going to stamp them using my stamps from my stamp set. In case you guys haven't seen it in a while, it looks like this. Sorry about the glare, but this is the stamp set I made with May. I'll have it linked down below if you want to check it out. So anyway, I'm going to stamp 4x6 on this one, and then 3x4 on this one, 3x4 on this one, 3x4 on this one. So since we just printed them on paper, you're not adding a lot of bulk. So then when you go to add your photo, you're not adding, you know, several layers. You just have a thin piece of paper, and then you have your photo. So it's kind of like having, you know, a cardstock mat underneath your photo. So except it's a little less bulky. All right, I am going to use art. I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac to glue these down. Just because, since it's such thin paper, sometimes the art glitter glue will show through the paper, and we don't want that. And sometimes the Fabri-Tac does too. It just really depends. So I'm going to try to give myself like 1/8 of an inch around the edge. How's that look? That looks pretty good. I can see it in the monitor there. Okay, and then I am gonna, this is just a rectangle label that's in my rectangle label printable. And I think I picked one of the bluish looking colors, and I'm gonna put that down, but then I've got some flowers that I think would look really pretty in this little layout. So I'm gonna stick this right in the middle, just for a place to put your date or your information or your location or your family member names or the occasion in which, you know, that kind of stuff. I'm gonna scoot you in though, because I want to show you this flower embellishment that I want to do. So I've already tested this out and it will work. So I want to take and just make like a cluster of the flowers, even though some of them have some thickness to them. Like there's like a 1/2 inch or like a 1/4 of an inch. Is it going to show you? A 1/4 of an inch thickness. It's still, the magnets still grab on, so that's good. Okay, so I wanted to have this. It came in one of the flower packs, and then I just kind of wanted to do a cluster of flowers. So I just think it would look really cool. Oops. Maybe. So that's like 5, 6. I don't know, I think that looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Just like that? Or should we add another pink one like up here? No, I like it just like that. So let's do that. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if you like this little setup here. I think it's pretty, it's simple. It's really simple, and it looks really nice. Okay, so let's start with gluing this down. So I'm just gonna put glue. I guess I could have done it the other way. Should I do it this way instead? No, I like it the other way. Okay, so I'm just gonna put glue on some of the spots. We can always come back and tack it down in other places. So where it might be not touching a picture. Yeah, that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I totally dig it. Okay, that is all we're gonna do. I just wanted to do a really quick little something with you guys, and today is July 3rd, so tomorrow's July 4th, so it's a holiday here. And so happy July 4th to all of you that celebrate July 4th. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this type of video. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and all of that, and check out the links and stuff that I've got down there. And thank you so much for joining me today. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.